What up guys, Tech King here again. We got amps going in the Blazer. I got my amps. I've already got the back plates taken off of them, both of them. And I had to drill these out just a touch to make that 1/4 inch threaded rod fit in the back. I've got the RCAs I need, I've got the power wire I need, remote and all that. So we're gonna, I've already started taking these off. I've got these adjusted to the right height. So now I'm gonna grab the other 2 amps off the table and I'm gonna put them on here and put the hardware on top of that to get them mounted in place. And then my wonderful Zach Mulvaney is going to hook them up for me while I do some work to the slut is what we're deeming it. But anyways, sorry guys, I'm gonna just get a little action work of me putting these in and then Zach hooking them up. So see you guys in a minute.
I didn't get it real tight.
No, I didn't know where it's going.
Yeah, they look pretty there. Yeah, I think he's gonna get the power he needs.
Zach, no problem.
What?
I'm gonna have to lower that amp down a little bit.
Why? Did you break it?
Yeah.
What'd you break it for?
I barely fucking touched it. Jeff,
he broke it.
Thread.
With the wrench.
I didn't get it Gorilla tight.
It's on the front amp or back amp?
Front amp.
Front or back?
Oh, back. Yeah, the very back by the tailgate.
Well, I mean,
It's in the front of the tailgate.
Yeah.
okay.
It's easy to get to. We can lower the amp.
Oh yeah, it's definitely
It's definitely noticeable.
That's okay, don't worry about it. We think we're done. We think we're done. Let's get in here and look at what all's been done. So I can get my big ass in here. Oh boy. Let's do a quick test run just to see what the fuck she's got. official start. Let's play a song. We're gonna play baseballing.
That's what you say, baseball.
It's gotta be baseballing. It's the only one I trust. Kind of scared. Honestly, kind of scared. I hear something. I can't even turn the volume all the way up. I hear something. That didn't sound good at all. All right, guys. Bad news. Blazer's done for it. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that bad, but the subs can't handle the power. We had, don't mind the crack. The crack makes it seem worse. The other one that we pulled out is not like that. We had all 6 of them in there hooked up, and we'd hear 1 or 2 of them bottom out. So we pulled the one that made the most noise. You can just push right on them, no problem. So they're a year old. I've been banging the fuck out of them for a year now, just handing out low frequency demos. And you know, I don't know if they could have even handled it back when the suspension was, you know, new and stiffer. You know, I don't know, but I do know for a fact that they can't do it. So now I've got to figure out what I'm gonna do with Basspool. I love doing all Audiopipe because it was nice and cheap, easy on the wallet, and it produced results. If you guys got any suggestions, I'm to the point. After the slut is gone for the 615s and is out of the shop, we'll be working on the 2412s. It'll be parked here where this Blazer's parked, and we'll be working on that. And then after that, while we're all in quarantine, I'm gonna probably break this whole truck down. I'm gonna fucking strip it and start from fresh. Now's the time to do it, if any, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry for the disappointing turnout, but I will catch you guys later. Please give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching.